drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
I'm Paul Bennett at Shoestring Shipyard here in Millbridge, Maine. We're located along Maine's Bold Coast, not very far from the U.S.-Canadian border. I'm making what's called a rope splicing fid. It kind of looks like a weapon of war, but that's not what it is. This fid is used for when you're splicing various types of rope. It's a handy tool to have in your toolbox, especially if you're a sailor. I wanted to show you that if you don't have them and you don't want to spend the money, you don't want to order one, you can make your own. And so I made this one, and I'm going to use it in another upcoming video. It's pretty easy, and you don't have to do it exactly like I did. I put a little piece of wooden dowel into a piece of copper tubing, and then I wrapped a little bit of line around there as a whipping for the handle, or something to hold on to that's comfortable. You don't have to do that. If you wanted to, if you have a long enough piece of tubing, you could just put a little bit of whipping around the end of the tubing without using the dowel, and that would be perfectly fine. I used a piece of copper tubing because that's what I had. I had one just about the right size. You could use a piece of aluminum tubing, maybe a piece of conduit if you can find one small enough. You could find a piece of, for smaller line, you might want to use a piece of CPVC. PVC is that white drain piping, but CPVC is almost like a little off, like a cream color, which is suitable for potable water, but it comes in smaller sizes than PVC does. So whatever you can find, you can use. These are very simple to make. Thanks for watching.
sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?